Taking a live look now at RDU International, where a lot of people will be trying to leave the area to go see family and friends. But winter weather is already causing flight problems.
Yeah, it has already canceled RDU flights to and from Seattle today. We even heard from a family with relatives stranded in Iceland due to the weather.
That's WTBR's Matt Tallham joining us live from the airport now with what you can do to stay ahead of the cancellations and delays. Matt.
Yeah, Gerald, I heard from a dad who tells me his daughter and her husband are stuck in Iceland. They've been trying to get back here to RDU on Icelandair since Saturday, but they've had so many flight cancellations because of the weather there. Right now, a lot of the airlines are offering a way out if you want to get out early in case of that winter weather affecting your holiday travel.
The holiday hustle and bustle at RDU is rolling along on time for now, ahead of a major winter storm rolling toward the Midwest and Northeast. Severe winter weather, even by Iceland standards, stranded travelers at the airport in Reykjavik, including some trying to get back on Icelandair to RDU. The airline says it's working to rebook all passengers on new flights in the next couple of days. In a statement, Icelandair says, "Rest assured that we are doing our absolute best to get all our passengers where they need to be before Christmas."
Airlines basically get to say, look, guys, it's not our fault. And they do it.
Kyle Potter is executive editor of travel and flight deals website Thrifty Traveler. He encourages people with flights booked for the next few days to check with their airline about a weather waiver.
So it's really an opportunity for people to get where they need to go without paying a hefty fee before this bad weather sweeps through.
This busy holiday season harkens back to the summer vacation rush when more than 45,000 flights were canceled across the country. Potter says the airlines are better staffed now than they were then, but we'll have to wait and see how they recover after this first major winter storm.
This is going to be a big test, I think. And I think, travelers across the nation are going to need to hope for the best, but prepare for the worst.
Yeah, and that's because this winter storm that's moving across the country will affect a lot of major hubs, including Chicago, New York, Boston, D.C. All the major airlines I checked here that fly out of RDU, they are offering those winter weather waivers for travel, especially to the Midwest and Northeast in the next few days. So it's best to check with your airline now to see if you can get on an earlier flight out of here without having to pay those fees, Gerald.
Yeah, the timing couldn't be worse either. Matt Tallham live at the airport. Thank you, Matt.